In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a ring group in SalesCaptain in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's get started. Head over to Settings, then Manage Users and Teams, where you can see all your existing team members listed out. Now click Create Team, name it Sales, and add the phone numbers of the team members you want included in this ring group. Next, configure your team voicemail box settings for a fallback option when someone rings your line. Now navigate over to Call Flows under Captain Labs, click plus Create New Call Flow, name it Incoming Sales, and assign a phone number to it. From the right-hand side panel, drag and drop the Ring to Team element onto your call flow, then click on it to edit. Select how long you want the call to ring and choose your sales team from the drop-down menu. From here, you can add more routing options. For this example, just drag and drop the voicemail element from the right-hand panel. Finally, hit Save, and you'll be taken back to the Call Flows overview page where you can see your new call flow is live and active. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.